You had to be the one to draw this one, didn't you?
Yeah, that's on the water.
Morning, YouTube. What's going on? On our way to the auction this morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
Say how y'all doing.
How you doing?
Say good morning.
Not say it.
You don't want to say it? You standing on my shirt? Can you get off my shirt? I just got it made. Just got my shirt made. What y'all think? That's the front.
I have you do yours. Hey, don't do that. I'm sorry. Hey, why is it that a wheel?
And that's the back. The success wheel on the back.
That put you in here.
Y'all ready to go see your grandma?
Yeah. I'll see your black car.
All right, we're getting in the black car. We're going to see your grandma. Off to the auction. See you guys there. All filled up right now. Yesterday, we was here, it wasn't too filled up. Stand on the back of this truck. So it's got to be some good deals in here today. So let's get to it. You know, then we got a lot more coming to show you guys today. Hopefully, you know, I can go out and do a Wednesday walk around for you as well. So try to get that as part of this video as well. So let's get to it. Let's see what this Impala go for. If they smart, they would just check and see. They can check and see that it's running hot, but a lot of them ain't gonna check that. So let's see what it brings. For a car that was running hot. Temperature here was right there inch before the H. So if it was running that, it was running hot or getting that close to the H, this close, obviously there's something wrong. But you know, as you can see, nobody opened the door to check and see if it was running hot or anything. That's the thing with these people. They just buying these cars just to be buying them. They don't check no oil. They don't check them to see if they're running hot. They don't do none of that. They just see a car and just bid. That's crazy. But hey, it's better for them to buy it than me. 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe. Let's see what they go for.
Yep, 20 down to our top. 20 grand, 20 down to 18 grand, 2.5. I get 18, 2.5, 18, 5, 19, 19, 25.
It was 7,200, but you know, obviously it takes more money. The car is clean. Definitely worth more than 7,200 to me. Oh, so you know, we're out here chilling. Salvage, I was supposed to, you know, pick up the vehicle today, so I was here at the lot sitting around waiting for them, so I didn't get to go out there to do a Wednesday walk around for you guys. Sorry about that, but we'll definitely get you one next week, and we'll put footage of, you know, the auction picking up the vehicle tomorrow. They didn't, like they said, they were pretty swamped today, so they weren't able to get to it today. So we'll make that part of tomorrow's video, and we'll discuss, and I'll give you guys some more advice and information tomorrow. Went to the auction today. Prices are still kind of ridiculous. Wasn't able to get anything today. But hey, it happens like that. You know, some days, you know, you leave the auction and you don't get anything. You know, but you know, never let they get you down. Like me, I never let it get me down. It's been plenty of times that I go to the auction and leave with nothing. You know, hey, you know, it is what it is. You know. Sometimes it's smarter to keep your money and, you know, wait till next time, you know. Sometimes it is, you know, because I could have went out there and just bought something just to have it, but, you know, like I said, I always try to buy my car for the right price so I can always sell them for the right price to give people the best deal. I'm not the one to just go out there and just buy something just to buy it and have it, you know. I don't work like that, so if I don't buy nothing, it doesn't. I didn't feel like it was a good deal. So, but yeah, I appreciate all the support. I did sell like the Saturn. I got it cleaned up yesterday. Cleaned it up, sold it within a couple of days. I mean, a couple of hours. You know, that's how I usually do. When I clean up a car, post it for sale, I usually sell within a couple of hours. But yeah, I appreciate all the support. I'm out. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I'll let you guys know what they're gonna give me for the Pontiac. Probably little to nothing, but you know, it is what it is. You know, you can't, like I always say, you can't win on every car. Appreciate it, you guys. Link to my Patreon will be in the description. I appreciate the people who's already went over there and signed up. If you haven't already, you know, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys. I'm out.